In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, my name is Umme Habiba. I'm from Chemistry Department. My ID is 014. And today, the topic of my presentation is joining data in SQL. So first of all, you can see contents of my presentation. This course actually contains different chapters including Introduction to Joins, Outer Joins and Cross Joins, Set Theory Clauses, and at last but not least, Subqueries. So let's start from Introduction to Joins. In this chapter, you will be introduced to concept of joining tables and you will explore the different ways you can enrich your queries using inner joins and self joins. You'll also see how to use the case statement to, to split up a field into different categories. So first of all, there is inner join, and the inner join keyword selects records that have matching values in both tables. Inner join with using. When joining tables with a common field name, for example, you can see there inner join economies on countries.code is equal to economies.code. You can use using as a shortcut. Okay, in the given query you can see using is being used to join tables which have common field names. Then you can see here when to use when keyword and then keyword. The case statement goes through conditions and returns a value when the first condition is met, like an if then else statement. Okay. So once a condition is true, it will stop reading and return the result. If no conditions are true, it returns the value in else clause. And if there is no else part and no conditions are true, it will return null. The second most important chapter of this course is outer joins and cross joins. In this chapter, you'll come to grips with different kinds of outer joins. You will learn how to gain further insights into your data through left joins, right joins, and full joins. In addition to outer joins, you will also work with cross joins. Left join. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. The result is zero records from the right side if there is no match among two tables. So in this query you can see left join basically is used when there are two columns and it will give you zero record from the right side if there will be no match. Then right join. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. The result is zero records from the left side if there is no match. So it's just like left join. Then full join. The full outer join keyword returns all records when there is a match in left table or right table records. The third most important chapter of this course is set theory clauses. In this chapter, you'll learn more about set theory using diagrams and get an introduction to union, union all, intersect and except clauses. You'll finish by investigating semi-joins and anti-joins, which provides a nice introduction to subqueries. Union. Union can be used to determine all occurrences of a field across multiple tables. In this query, you can see there are different tables and union is being used to determine all occurrences of the field across these two tables. Intersect. Union all will extract all records from two tables, while intersect will only return records that both tables have in common. In this exercise, you'll create a similar query as before. However, this time you will look at the records in common for country code and year for the economies and populations tables. So you can see that union and intersect, they are opposite to each other totally. In this query, you can see how to use intersect for the multiple tables to get your results, which match into both or multiple tables. Then accept. Determine the names of the capital cities that are not listed in the cities table. And for this query, you will use accept by joining multiple columns to get your required results. Then semi-join. You are now going to use the concept of a semi-join to identify languages spoken in the Middle East. Anti-joins. So how to use anti-joins? Another powerful join in SQL is the anti-join. It is particularly useful in identifying which records are using an incorrect number of records to appear in join queries. Then, fourth and last but not least, the chapter of this course is subqueries. In its closing chapter, you will learn how to use nested queries. Subquery inside where you can see when to use where keyword. Okay. Then subquery inside select, you can see advanced subquery, you can see there we are using keyword, inner join, where condition. So all the conditions or all the keywords which I have told you are being used in the query to get your required results. So this is the certification which I have got after completing this course of SQL successfully. That is all from my side. Thank you.